How many more days could I wait? Making plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.
What's up, Dash Squad? Welcome to the Dash Squad. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning to my channel, thank you for being here. I am Armoni, and my channel focuses on beauty, inspiration, and lifestyle. So we have another hair review for you guys. It's by a company, and I'm excited because this color is not your typical black or brown hair. So it is by Alibonnie Hair. So I pulled everything out of the box. So they sent us over some goodies, some lashes, a wig cap, which I already have one on, an edge brush, and our band to make sure our wig lay in place. So we're gonna jump right into this. I don't want to hold you guys. I want to try this. I want to try this wig on and see like what it's gonna give. So I'm excited. I hope y'all excited. So let's get ready for this review. Y'all know I love a good wave. I can put my wine curl on there. So this is the unit. I'm not going to bleach the lace. As you guys can see, I'm going to put some makeup on it, and we're going to jump right into this video. Let's do it.
Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it.
On my channel, because I love a good side part. But tell me what y'all think of this lace. It's the color for me, y'all. Your girl is feeling these 24 inches. So I'm gonna put some concealer on my part. I want my part to pop more than it's popping. So I'm getting ready to do that now. There it is. So tell me what you guys think. When these curls drop, they're gonna be beautiful. I feel like it's giving everything that it's supposed to give. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of this unit. Everything you need will be in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this. I would definitely say yes. As you guys can see, I did not do anything to this lace but put some makeup beneath it, and it's giving. Until next time.